Picture windows are known for their expansive views and ability to flood a room with natural light. While many homeowners love their clean design, some worry about how these large glass areas affect indoor comfort. The good news is that when designed and used properly, picture windows can support effective heat control while enhancing everyday living. For homeowners in Austin, understanding how picture windows contribute to indoor comfort helps make confident design decisions. How picture windows influence indoor temperature. Picture windows are fixed windows, meaning they don't open or close. Because of their size, they play a significant role in how heat moves in and out of a room. In Austin living spaces, picture windows can be part of a comfortable environment when they are chosen thoughtfully and integrated into the home's overall design. Their performance depends on how well they manage sunlight and temperature changes. Managing sunlight with strategic placement where a picture window is placed matters just as much as the window itself. Strategic placement helps control how much direct sunlight enters the room during different times of day. Austin homeowners often benefit from positioning picture windows to capture natural light without exposing living spaces to excessive heat. Thoughtful placement allows rooms to feel bright while staying comfortable. Using glass technology to reduce heat transfer. Modern picture windows use advanced glass designs that help slow heat movement. These glass options allow visible light to pass through while limiting the amount of heat that enters the home. For Austin living spaces, this means enjoying wide, unobstructed views without feeling overheated. Proper glass selection helps keep interior temperatures more stable throughout the day. Reducing heat buildup near windows. Large windows can sometimes cause warm spots near the glass if heat control isn't addressed. Well-designed picture windows help reduce this effect by minimizing temperature differences between the glass and indoor air. Austin homeowners often notice that properly designed picture windows eliminate the discomfort sometimes associated with older, inefficient windows. Seating areas near the window remain comfortable and usable. Supporting consistent indoor comfort. Heat control isn't just about preventing warmth from entering. It's also about maintaining consistent temperatures throughout the room. Picture windows that manage heat effectively support balanced indoor conditions. In Austin homes, this helps reduce temperature swings and creates living spaces that feel comfortable from morning to evening. Enhancing natural light without overheating. One of the biggest advantages of picture windows is how much light they bring in. Natural light improves mood, highlights decor, and makes spaces feel larger. With proper heat control features, Austin homeowners can enjoy this brightness without sacrificing comfort. Rooms feel open and inviting without becoming uncomfortably warm. Complementing other comfort strategies. Picture windows work best when combined with other heat control solutions. Interior design choices such as window coverings and shading options help fine-tune comfort throughout the day. For Austin living spaces, this layered approach allows homeowners to adjust light and warmth based on changing conditions while maintaining clear views. Quiet comfort and heat control. Well-designed picture windows also support sound control while managing heat. A tightly sealed window helps block both noise and unwanted heat transfer. Austin homeowners appreciate how these windows contribute to a calmer, more comfortable home environment overall. Long-term performance with minimal maintenance. Picture windows have fewer moving parts than operable windows, making them easier to maintain over time. With proper installation, they continue to perform reliably. For Austin homeowners, this means consistent heat control and comfort without ongoing adjustments or complex upkeep. A balanced approach to comfort and style. Picture windows offer a beautiful way to enhance living spaces while supporting effective heat control. When thoughtfully chosen and placed, they combine style with everyday comfort. For homeowners in Austin, picture windows provide a practical solution for enjoying expansive views, abundant natural light, and comfortable indoor temperatures, creating living spaces that feel just as good as they look.